why do you believe you were the most qualified candidate amongst the rest?
This is why I know I'm a better candidate. I'm young, I'm honest, I'm motivated, I have no political ties, and I'm here to bring change.
Thank you. Ms. Cavasos Ramirez, same question. Why do you believe you were the most qualified candidate amongst the rest?
Well, I think I've said this earlier, but I've been practicing law in this community for 30 years. I've been in office now as the incumbent county attorney for a little over 3 years and 4 months. Prior to that, I was in private practice for 12 years, and prior to that, I served 2 terms, 8 years as the county attorney also. Prior to that, I served 5 years as an assistant county attorney, and then prior to that, 2.5 years also in private practice. My experience has been varied. When I first came back to Laredo, because I'm born and raised in Laredo, I worked for then DA Julio Garcia in his private office, and then later as an assistant DA. In my first year, I tried probably about 40 or 50 cases, and I mean trials, I don't mean plea bargains. My boss at the time implemented a no plea bargain policy because he had some political rift with the judge in our court. But it led to a whole lot of trial experience on my part and my partners. And following that, I served 4 years as a felony prosecutor, also trying all kinds of cases, from capital murder to murders to attempted murders. At that time, they were called rapes, sexual assaults, burglaries, all kinds of crimes. After that, I decided to run for county attorney. And since then, I learned all about county government. In my 11 and some years as county attorney, I can tell you that I've got more experience, not only as county attorney, but in county government than both my opponents have been practicing law. That's why I believe I'm the better candidate.
Thank you very much. Mr. Montemayor?
Well, I believe experience is important. It is an important factor. I'll agree with that, but I don't think it's the only factor. The county attorney's office handles many complex issues. So you must have the knowledge and the ability to be able to handle these issues. If you don't have the necessary experience, obviously you can get the county into problems and pose a liability for our county and the community. I've been a practicing attorney for 12 years, and I've handled many different types of cases involving many different areas of law. And I think my experience has prepared me well for the duties and responsibilities that go along with being the county attorney. But I don't think experience is the only thing. I don't think it's just about the number of years that you have. I think there's more to it than being an effective county attorney. I think you need to be a well-rounded attorney, an attorney knowledgeable in many areas of the law. But you also need to be an individual that can work well with others. You handle and deal with many individuals throughout the county government, different types of personalities and individuals, and you need to be a good problem solver. So it's not just about the experience and the number of years that you have. It's about the ability to work well with others, to get the job done, and to be effective. And I know that in my 12 years I've learned that. I know that I have the ability to be effective and that I can work well with others. And so that is why I believe that I'm the best candidate for county attorney.
Thank you very much.